Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rubber gloves is probably one of the most overlooked kitchen essentials, yet it plays a crucial role in protecting your hands from harsh detergents, scalding water, and persistent grime while doing dishes. Finding the perfect pair can transform your dishwashing experience from a chore into a quick and comfortable task, leaving your hands soft and healthy instead of dry and irritated. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rubber gloves to help you find the perfect pair to suit your needs and budget, ensuring you get the best protection and comfort possible. Number 5. Elgood Reusable Dishwashing Gloves. These gloves are made from a premium, latex-free PVC material, providing excellent protection and comfort. It adopts advanced flocking technology, seamlessly weaving cotton and PVC for superior comfort and softness. The textured palm and fingers increase friction, giving you a better grip and control while washing dishes. At 13 inches long, they keep your arms dry and prevent water from entering, while still allowing for flexible hand movement. They are waterproof and oil-resistant, perfect for kitchen cleaning, laundry, household chores, gardening, and more. Experience the difference with Elgood's reusable gloves. They combine comfort and durability for all your cleaning needs. What we like. If you have sensitive skin and want comfortable gloves, this is a great option. They're soft and gentle on your hands, preventing irritation. If you are looking for a comfortable and durable pair of gloves for everyday dishwashing, you should consider this. What people say. The cotton lining makes them comfortable to wear for long periods, and the latex-free material is a huge plus. They're durable, easy to clean, and come in a great color combo. I love the length, the latex-free, the lining is soft and the fit is exceptional. Complete dexterity while wearing them, not tightening to prevent flexibility. They protect your hands from being ripped apart by water over extended periods of time. They're of good quality and comfortable. Number 4. HSL Household Cleaning Gloves. These gloves are perfect for all your household cleaning needs. They're comfortable, durable, and protect your hands from harsh chemicals and water. Made from durable PVC material, they're latex-free for sensitive skin. The extended cuffs protect your wrists and forearms. The soft cotton flock lining absorbs moisture, keeping your hands dry and comfortable even during long cleaning sessions. Its anti-slip design provides a secure grip, preventing accidents and making cleaning easier and safer. Use them for kitchen cleaning, bathroom chores, laundry, or even gardening. 2 pairs give you options for different tasks. We stand behind our product. Contact us if you have any quality issues, we're here to help. What we like. If you need durable gloves that can withstand frequent use, these are a solid choice. The comfortable lining keeps your hands dry and comfortable, while the non-slip grip ensures a secure hold. If you're looking for reliable gloves for various household chores, you should consider this. What people say. The gloves arrived right in the nick of time. I was thrilled when the gloves arrived on time and donned them straight away to try them out. I have to admit that they fit just right, not too tight and not loose and very soft on the inside. What I enjoy most is in using them I don't even have to turn on the cold water, just hot and wash the dishes. I don't feel the intensity of the hot water while wearing these gloves to wash dishes and cookware. I have reordered these multiple times because not only do they fit perfectly, I'm a medium, they are very good quality. Nice and thick, but very flexible and slide on and off easily. The gloves were a great choice to protect dry, sensitive hands. The lining is soft, the cuffs turn and stay up, and the palms are grippy enough to hold things firmly. They are great for everything from doing the dishes or giving the dog a bath. Number 3. Cleanbear Rubber Gloves. These gloves are perfect for all your household cleaning needs. They're comfortable, durable, and come in 3 bright colors. The vibrant colors make it easy to assign them to different tasks. Keep one pair for dishes, another for cleaning, and so on. Made without latex, they're gentle on your hands and won't cause irritation. You'll appreciate the smooth, comfortable fit. These gloves are easy to put on and take off, even when wet. They're not too tight, allowing for comfortable use. If you have sensitive skin, these are a lifesaver for hand-washing dishes. They keep your hands dry and protected from harsh detergents. From cleaning the house to washing the car or tending to your garden, these gloves are up to the task. They're truly versatile. What we like? If you're allergic to latex, these gloves are a safe and effective alternative. They're easy to put on and take off, and they do a great job of keeping your hands dry. If you like simple, easy-to-use gloves, you should consider this. What people say. The gloves are really thick and survived really rugged use. I like the length too for protection. These last for months. Strong rubber. Durable, aesthetically pleasing, good fit for hand protection. Number 2. COOLJOB Latex Cleaning Gloves. These gloves are made from 100% thickened natural latex, offering exceptional wear resistance and odor-free protection. They're flexible and comfortable for long-lasting durability. Granules on the palms and fingers provide a reliable anti-slip grip, giving you full control in any condition. You'll have secure and efficient cleaning, no matter what. The soft, absorbent flocked lining ensures a comfortable fit, even during extended use. They keep your hands dry and are easy to put on and take off. Long, waterproof cuffs protect your forearms from water and cleaning agents. Keep your hands and arms clean and dry while you work. They're perfect for dishwashing, laundry, gardening, and more. These reusable gloves protect your hands from harsh chemicals and keep your nails healthy. What we like? If you need extra protection and a secure grip, these gloves offer superior durability and protection. The long cuffs keep your forearms dry, and the non-slip grip ensures control even when wet. If you are looking for heavy-duty gloves for demanding tasks, you should consider this. What people say. They feel durable and fit well, though I have freakishly long fingers and true to form the fingers are a bit short for me. The palm fits well, though. The small in these fit me, well, like a glove. My mom and I used these gloves to clean up my yard after an exterior paint crew had been through. We were both amazed at how durable they are. They do not slide down your arm, easy on and off, comfortable fit, extra protection on the palm with raised grippers, and I will purchase again. Number 1. Household cleaning gloves. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to comfortable cleaning. These gloves provide superior protection and comfort for all your household chores. They're latex-free, so they're gentle on your skin. The long cuffs prevent water from getting inside, keeping your hands dry and protected. The soft lining ensures all-day comfort, even during long cleaning sessions. You'll forget you're even wearing them. These gloves are designed to withstand the toughest cleaning jobs. They're waterproof and durable, providing long-lasting protection. You get 2 pairs of gloves, so you always have a clean pair ready to go. That means more time cleaning and less time changing gloves. Order your pair of these amazing gloves now and experience the difference. Make cleaning easier and more enjoyable. What we like? If you value comfort and protection, these gloves provide a soft, comfortable fit with long cuffs to protect your forearms. They're latex-free for sensitive skin and offer good protection. If you prioritize comfort and protection during cleaning, you should consider this. What people say. The fit is great on my slightly larger than average, longer than usual fingers fits like it was made for me, and I prefer that to having some slack, which most mediums do. The lining is not that thick, but is attached to the inside of the glove itself, so there's no way it can separate from the fingers. The palms are textured, providing a great grip, and they're really good for cleaning as well. But perhaps most importantly, they really protect you from water dripping into the glove. The length is fabulous, it goes all the way up to your elbows. Nice and soft on the inside, fits great, and they are durable. I ended up ordering these because I was so tired of the gloves you grab in the grocery store to do dishes that the water keeps ending up inside the gloves. They are bright, cheerful, almost makes washing anything better. They fit great. I keep a pair for dishes and another for other cleaning, like bathtubs, sinks. Use them every day and they are holding up really well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.